What did you want me to do?
I'll do whatever you want me to do.
What do you want me to do? You're so confusing.
What do you want me to do? Form a posse? What to say? What do you want me to do?
Is that what you want me to do? You're insane.
Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it. But
I need you too, but what do you want me to do? Just tell.
What do you want me to do? I'm on a leash.
What do you want me to do?
What exactly do you want me to do?
Report directly to me.
That's the meanest, coldest.
Well, what do you want me to do? Call Federal Express?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do, Nadine?
Walk the streets?
What do you want me to do?
Tiffany, what do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do? Just, grit my teeth, close my eyes, hold myself stiff, and let you do it to me?
What the fuck do you want me to do?
How do you want me to do that? I don't get it.
What do you want me to do?
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
I know who you are. And I know what you want me to do.
Carl!
Molly, what do you want me to do? Whack the guy?
I'm not going to ask you why, because that's what you want me to do.
What did you want me to do? Come in my work clothes?
So, what do you want me to do?
Okay, what do you want me to do?
What you want me to do?
You're under arrest.
Well, what do you want me to do? Find them!
Look, where's this going? What do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do about it?
Abby, what do you want me to do? I'm not about...
What do you want me to do with that?
What do you want me to do with them?
So what do you want me to do?
Fine. What do you want me to do?
Yes. You want me to do it? No.
I will do anything you want me to do.
So what do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do?
Well, what do you want me to do?
Where's our waiter? Excuse me. Excuse me.
What do you want me to do?
Tell me what you want me to do. I'll be whoever you want.
Paralyzed. What do you want me to do?
I mean, what do you want me to do here? You want me to...
What do you want me to do? Will you slow up the resolution on that picture? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
You want me to do that?
So what you want me to do?
Excuse me. What did you want me to do with these scripts?
I'm not sure I understand what it is you want me to do.
Just do as I ask.
Do that to you.
So what do you want me to do?
What you want me to do? Snitch, huh?
What do you want me to do? Keep my hands up or take off the pistol?
What do you want me to do? Do you want me to go?
You want me to do something about this?
No, leave it. It's kind of interesting.
No. I'm looking.
You're looking at her? What? What do you want me to do?
Is there anything you want me to do?
Yeah. Leave me alone.
But, what do you want me to do? Lie about it?
You want me to do this?
What the hell you want me to do, motorhead?
What do you want me to do here, babe?
You want me to do what?
What do you want me to do here, babe?
Are you sure you want me to do it?
What do you want me to do? I'll do it.
What the hell do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, Betty? What do you want me to do? You want...
All right. You want me to do that again?
What do you want me to do with this?
What the hell do you want me to do?
And what the hell do you want me to do? What to be?
Tell me, what do you want me to do?
John, my car is gone.
I mean, what did you want me to do? Get us both shot?
Do you want me to do some work on it?
You thought.
What do you want me to do, baby?
Well, what do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do?
Talk to him.
I'm sorry. What do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do? Okay.
So what do you want me to do about it?
Is that what you want me to do? I'll do whatever you want me to do.
It's General Hospital? What do you want me to do?
Oh, what do you want me to do? Go out and buy a Ouija board?
What do you want me to do about it?
What do you want me to do?
You want me to do this thing for you?
What do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do? I'll start at the bottom.
What do you want me to do about it?
And I'm asking what you want me to do about it.
What do you want me to do? Do you want me to go and fucking hide in a boat or something?
Are you kidding me?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
You gotta get out of here.
What do you want me to do?
Get rid of it, Father.
I mean, what do you want me to do?
I want you to help.
And I'll do whatever you want me to do.
What do you want me to do? Whatever. I don't know what you want me to do here, Kyle.